Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Mary's lips speaking to you right now. I mean, obviously they're not physically moving, but the state of them shows you that they are speaking, if not screaming. They are dry, they are crusty, and they need some tender loving care. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my DIY lip scrub and go from dry and crusty to soft, plump and moisturized. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button below and let's get to the video. You're going to need a bowl, some honey, sugar, brown or white, it's fine, and a lemon. If you don't have a fresh lemon, you can use lemon juice. I start off with trying to measure for the sake of this video, but that went extremely wrong. As you can see now, I'm just pouring the honey in. And I take a bit of that lemon and I squeeze it in. The benefits of this lip scrub, let me break down the ingredients for you one by one. Sugar acts as an exfoliator and it's very gentle on the lips. So, you know, sugar is the main ingredient that's going to help you get rid of the dead skin cells and the dry flakes. Then the lemon is a cleanser and it kills bacteria on the lips, which is why it's good to add that in there. And then the honey has a mix of antioxidants and is moisturizing. So as you can see in the video, I've added more sugar because initially I didn't have enough. What you want to try and do is get a paste. You don't want it to be watery and you don't want it to be really grainy, because at the end of the day it's going on your lips, so you want it to try and be as gentle as possible. So I feel like I've got the right consistency here. And I'm just rubbing that on my lips, as you can see. Now I know some people use oil in their lip scrub, but because I've used this before and I've done it before, I know how it extracts oil, so I didn't add oil to it because I didn't need it to be too oily. At the end of the day, you don't want it running down your lips. You really want to work the lip scrub into your lips, so by applying it in circular motions, you can do that. You kind of want to do it as though you're massaging your lips, and whilst you're doing this, the sugars are going to take over and just do that deep exfoliating that needs to be done to make sure all the dead skin, the cracks and everything are taken care of. I massage the product in for 2 minutes and then I leave it on my lips for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I've washed off the scrub, and as you can see, I still have some dead skin, some dryness and some cracks, but it is a big improvement from what it looked like in the beginning. I then take a lip moisturizer, and in this case I'm using EOS lip balm, and the point is that you want to retain and maintain moisture, so do add a moisturizer after you've washed your lips. And this is what my lips look like after using the moisturizer.
The next day,
I placed the lip scrub in the fridge overnight, but I took it out so that it could be room temperature before I applied it, because I am adverse to cold things. As you can see, oil has really come out of that lip scrub, and this is what it looks like on my lips. I'm also wearing a turmeric face mask. If you like that video, let me know below. These are my lips 10 minutes after washing the scrub off, and I'm comparing it to day one. Can you see the difference? The dryness is not there, the dead skin has come off, and they look a lot better than the first time round. I'm now showing you again with moisturizer, and I've used the same EOS lip balm as I did on day one. And again, my lips look a lot more moisturized. The dead skin, the cracks, they've all disappeared. If your lips were as bad as mine in the beginning, then you want to make sure you do the lip scrub at least twice a week. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button so I know you liked it, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.